Hello, my PGR beautiful family. I am coming to you this morning via video. My name is LaQuita Emanuel. I've been a little under the weather. However, I joined PGR and the beautiful ladies and its founder because I am geeked, I'm excited, I am elated for the culture and the value that PGR has. Anything that's going to empower, uplift, cultivate, energize, motivate, move, shake, get my sisters and beautiful women going. Hey, I'm all for it. I'm ready to rock with you, PGR. I'm ready to rock for you. I'm ready to stand in the gap. I am a servant by heart. So therefore, I take gratitude in serving. Kind of a behind the scenes girl. I have I'm a infectious personality, but I really like behind the scenes. I don't need the light. God wants God's light to be able to shine through me. So therefore, hey, let's go. Let's have fun. Let's get some things going. I'm excited about this year and about what this year is going to bring for this organization. I'm excited about helping Lady Rhonda get her name out there even more so, and getting PGR out there and just doing some things in the PGR family and the PGR community. So again, LaQuita Emanuel signing in, signing out. Have a blessed day, ladies.